Okay, I'm super excited because I never do unboxings because I always forget and I'm so excited and I crack open whatever package comes. But this time I remembered. So I'm super, super excited because I have in here a teapot that is Polish pottery. If you've never heard of Polish pottery, it is amazing, but it is pricey. And I had somebody send me a gift certificate for Amazon for Christmas, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to get. And then I realized, oh my goodness, I might be able to get one of these. So I have a teapot hiding in this box. I'm super excited to open it up and share it with you. So here it goes. So Polish pottery, it's made in Poland. And it is just amazing because it keeps its color. It does not get stained. I have Polish pottery baking dishes and stuff, and they still look brand new. And that's after burning things in them over and over again. Okay. Oh, I accidentally put my camera on the table, so this is a bit shaky. Here, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, there you go. So now you won't be shaking all the time. Here we go. Keep taking stuff out. Oh. So this may be the top. Ah! Oh my gosh. Last thing I want to do is break it. Okay, so here's the lid. Sneak peek of how big it's going to be. Got little hands on it. It's super cute. Okay. And this thing is Mondo. It holds 7 cups of liquid. Oh, it's gonna be big. So the only reason I know what Polish pottery is because my husband was in the military. We lived in Germany for 3.5 years. And while living in Germany, I learned that it was the popular thing for military wives to take these shopping trips to Poland and buy Polish pottery. So I have a decent amount. I've had some that was broken over the years, which is really, really sad because it is amazing. And when one breaks, my husband knows it's gonna get replaced. I am not gonna have my Polish pottery. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh, it is glorious. Okay, so look at that. So pretty. I'm probably gonna have to show you guys some close-ups. It's got this really cool handle right here because it is big. So it's got a nice little handle to help hold the teapots. Once this is full, it is gonna be heavy. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Okay, so here she is in all her glory. The Polish pottery, one thing that's known for, is hand painted. So super duper awesome pottery. It's pretty much flawless, which is nice. On the bottom of Polish pottery, it has these numbers. So you can see this. So if you ever run across some Polish pottery, okay, so this is quality 1. So that's what you're looking for. Quality 1 means it could go in the oven, it could go anywhere, and it's not going to get hurt. Now, let's see if I can remove this so you can see. Because every once in a while you can find some, well, there used to be a store called Tuesday Morning. I don't know if they still exist. sometimes you can find some there, and I have found a few pieces in Marshall's. But usually it's like plates or random saucers or little bowls. Okay, I'll have to take the rest of that off later. But, okay, it's always gonna have like some little piece of pottery. Always gonna say handmade in Poland. And here is where it's made. Okay, so this one actually is from Bolshevik, which is where I went originally to get my Polish pottery. So, now you know a little bit about Polish pottery. If you do get different qualities, they might be more, I mean, 2 is probably as low you'd want to go if you actually want to use it to cook in. Because if you go any lower than that, it could possibly crack in heat. And there it is. I can't wait to do videos with this. Let me show you a little bit more Polish pottery. Okay, and here's some other examples of Polish pottery. It's like, this sad one has like broken handles, but I refuse to get rid of it because I love it. But this one and this one are newer because I had 2 of these and the other one just completely died. The other one is just backup for when that one dies. This one is, you know, a 9x13 type dish. But it, again, it's been burnt. I've burnt plenty of food in there and it still looks beautiful. Here is a big mixing bowl. And there's another bowl in there, which is on its way out. This is the least of its issues. It has a crack in it, but that's for my children cleaning. Like, this is a popular design called Peacock. Of course, I'm probably boring you, but this, just in case I do like it, here's a fun deviled egg plate that I have that I love. And then over here I've got like my ramequins, which one time I found in, I think it was Ohio, just before we had moved. Remember, we didn't like have tons of money, and then I ran across this tiny shack with all this Polish pottery, and so I could not pass this up. And then hiding back there is a big, really big, I don't even know, I can't even think what it's, tart dish. So that one's a simple one, that was a brown. So anyways, that is Polish pottery. So I hope you liked that little peek at Polish pottery. I can't wait to use my teapot, so I'll probably go do that right now and have a cup of tea.